In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portrait cartoon photo in Canva. First, open Canva. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Once your design dashboard is up, you're ready to set the stage for your cartoon portrait. Next, open a template. This is simply the canvas you'll work on. You can choose any size that matches your goal: square for social posts, a vertical portrait for profiles, or a poster if you're printing. If you already have a design open, that works too. The key is to start with a canvas that gives your portrait enough room to breathe. Now, upload an image. On the left side, click Uploads and add your photo, or drag and drop it directly into Canva. For the best results, choose a clear front-facing portrait with good lighting and minimal shadows. High-resolution images give cleaner lines and smoother color blocks once cartoonified. Click on Apps in the left panel. This is where Canva's extra tools live. In the search bar, type Cartoonify. When it appears, click on it to open the tool. Inside Cartoonify, select a style. You'll see different looks, from bold outlines to softer, painterly options. Think about the vibe you want: playful, graphic, or artistic. Pick the style that matches your aesthetic. If the app shows previews, take a moment to compare how different styles treat skin tones, hair, and background shapes. Then click on Cartoonify Image to start the transformation. Canva will process the photo using the style you chose. This can take a moment, especially with larger images, so give it a little time to work. Wait for the process to finish. You'll know it's done when the cartoon version appears in your panel or asset tray. If something looks off, you can always go back, choose a different style, and try again. Add the cartoonified image to your canvas. Just drag it onto your design. At this point, you can place it over any background or layout you chose at the start. Finally, resize the image. Grab the corner handles to scale up or down while keeping proportions intact. Use the smart guides to center the portrait or align it with text and elements in your template. If the face is too tight or too small, adjust until the composition feels balanced and the features are clearly visible. And that's it. You've created a portrait cartoon photo in Canva, ready for profile pictures, social posts, or fun posters. Experiment with a few styles to see which one fits your look best.